Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a little get ready with me. So this is very inspired with my hair color. So there's going to be a lot of blues, a lot of purples. So first of all, I'm going to start off with my foundation, and I'm just going to be using the shade Toffee in the Maybelline Fit Me. I'm going to be blending this out with a blending brush. I'm just going to make sure that I cover the entire face. I'm not going to miss out my ears, I'm not going to miss out my forehead, and I'm going to blend it out into the hairline as well. So once I've done blending that out, I am going to be moving on to concealer. So for concealer, I'm only going to be putting this on my eyelids just to give the eyeshadows a better pop. I'm going to be using tape to give me a proper guide on where I have to lay my eyeshadows on. So I'm just going to be using that, and I'm going to be blending it out with a sponge. The eyeshadow portion, I am going to be using Huda Beauty. I'm going to be using the blue, the pink and the yellow palette. So to start off with that, I'm going to be using a very dark blue, and I'm going to be putting that on the outer corners, and I'm just going to keep blending that out with a blending brush. I'm just going to make sure that's really clean and really packed on. So once I'm done blending that out, I am going to be shifting onto the point color palette, and I'll be using the purple in that palette, and I'll just be blending that out into the blue, and that will be just following the crease and towards the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to be making sure that this is completely blended in so that it looks completely uniform. Once I'm done with this, I am going to be going into this pink glitter color in the pink palette, and I'm just going to be using a packing brush and putting that on the middles of my eyelids, and I'm just going to be creating a really pretty cut crease. I'm going to go ahead and do this on both eyes. And I'm just going to blend everything in together to make it look really pretty and really uniform. Once that's done, I am going to be moving on to the lower lash line. So I'm just going to take off the tape, and that gives me that beautiful cut. And I'm just going to be repeating the same colors that I've used on the top for the lower lash line with a small brush, and just really making sure that really blends in together. Now to complete this eyeshadow look, I'm just gonna be reaching into this really pretty silver that's in the yellow palette, and I am gonna just put that in the inner corners of my eyes just to give it a really bright pop of color. And I'm just gonna blend that out with the pink and the purple. Now I'm gonna move on to the brows. So I'm just gonna brush up my eyebrows properly, and I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay palette and a dark brown and a black mix, and I'm just gonna be filling in my eyebrows with that. I'll just go ahead and do that, and I will clean up my eyebrows with the concealer using the same flat brush, and just make everything look really uniform and define the eyebrows. Just gonna make sure that everything is really blended in. The concealer is blended in, my foundation is blended in. I'm just using the remaining of the foundation on my hand to just blend out my neck and just make sure everything looks perfect. So eyeshadow portion, I'm just gonna be using a black eyeliner and creating a really pretty wing just to complete and pull the look together. I'm using the Nykaa Black Magic in the shade black.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today
Now to give my face a little more pop of color, I'm just going to be going in with a really light pink blush, and I'm just going to be putting that on my cheeks and the tip of my nose. And I'm just going to go light-handed with this. I'm not going to be using too much. Now I'm going to move on to a highlighter, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette, and I'm just going to be using a highlighting brush and highlight the high points of my face. That's my cheekbones, under the eyebrow, and the tip of my nose and my lip. I'm just going to blend that in. If you make a mistake and you put too much on, you can always blend it in with the same blending brush that you use for your foundation. Later I'm going to go on with the nude lip color. I found the nude a little too dull, so I'm just going to be mixing in a little pink and a little red from my lip palette just to give it a little more pink effect. It was just too nude for me. I'm just making sure I clean up all the loose pigments, then just blending everything out. So I'm going to go in and curl my eyelashes and use my mascara. I'm not going to be going for a very dramatic look, so I'm not going to be using fake eyelashes, but this mascara does the job for me. Now to complete the look, I'm just going to go in with the blue kajal, and I'm just going to be putting that in my waterline. This completes the look. I think it looks really pretty. I'm just going to leave it at this. So here we have the finished look. This is super easy and super fun to do. This is completely recreatable, and I hope you guys like it.